The era of the mega SUV is officially on life support. For decades, we were told that bigger is better, that you needed 2 tons of steel just to buy a gallon of milk. But look at our cities in 2026. They're suffocating. Congestion is at an all-time high. Parking is a luxury only the elite can afford. And those massive electric trucks, they're just taking up space we don't have. But while the giants are stuck in gridlock, a silent revolution has taken over the streets. Welcome to the year of the mini EV. We aren't just looking at toys or golf carts. We are looking at the most strategically important machines in the automotive world today. These are the 12 mini electric vehicles that have reclaimed our cities in 2026. They are fast, they are impossibly cool, and they prove that the excuse that electric cars are too expensive is finally dead. Today, we're going deep into the future of urban mobility. Buckle up, if you can fit. We start with the icon. The Microlino 2.0 isn't just a car, it's a masterclass in heritage-inspired engineering. If it looks familiar, that's because it pays homage to the legendary bubble cars of the 1950s, but the tech inside is pure 2026. The visual hook here is legendary. The entire front of the car is the door. You don't slide into the Microlino from the side, you step out of the front directly onto the sidewalk. This allows for cross-parking. In 2026, Microlino owners are parking nose-in to the curb, taking up only 1/3 of a standard parking space. Technically, this is an L7E heavy quadricycle. It's powered by a 12.4 kilowatt motor that delivers a top speed of 90 kilometers an hour, fast enough to handle city bypasses and even the occasional motorway sprint if you're brave enough. With battery options ranging from 5.5 to 15 kilowatt hours, you're looking at up to 228 kilometers of range on a single charge. And because it weighs just 496 kilograms, its energy efficiency is off the charts. Starting at roughly 17,990 euros, the Microlino isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about making everyone on the street smile while you do it. If the Microlino is Swiss precision, the Fiat Topolino is Italian soul. This is Stellantis' answer to urban boredom. At just 2.53 meters long, the Topolino is designed to turn the city into a relaxing playground. But here is why this is a high-retention winner for 2026: the accessories. Have you ever seen a car with a built-in beach shower? The Vilebrequin Collector's Edition comes with an integrated shower, a rear luggage rack, and, if you opt for the Dolce Vita trim, no doors at all. Instead, you get elegant ropes. This is an L6E vehicle, meaning in many European countries, drivers as young as 14 or 16 can get behind the wheel. It's limited to 45 kilometers an hour with a 75-kilometer range, powered by a 5.4 kilowatt-hour battery that charges in just 4 hours from a standard household plug. It's not about speed, it's about the vibe. Fiat has successfully turned a budget quadricycle into an aspirational fashion statement, proving that sustainability can be, well, adorable.
Now let's talk about the disruptor from the East. The Baojun Yep doesn't want to look cute, it wants to look hardcore. This is a square box mini SUV that looks like a baby Suzuki Jimny, but with a technological twist that has gone viral across every social platform. Look at the tailgate. That is the Car Watch, a massive high-definition digital screen that looks like a giant Apple Watch. You can display emojis, messages, or status updates to the drivers behind you. It is the ultimate attention grabber. Underneath the rugged exterior, the Yep is a rear-wheel drive beast with a 50-kilowatt motor. It hits a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour and offers a massive 303 CLTC range thanks to its 28.1 kilowatt-hour LFP battery. But the real tech flex? It features an intelligent driving system co-developed with DJI, using binocular cameras for advanced parking and obstacle avoidance. For around $10,600, the Baojun Yep is arguably the most tech-dense vehicle on this list.
If you want to know what the future of manufacturing looks like, look at the XEV Yo-Yo Pro. This car isn't just assembled, it's largely 3D printed. By using 100% 3D printed body panels, XEV has slashed production costs and weight while allowing for insane levels of customization. But the Yo-Yo Pro has a party trick that solves the biggest problem in the EV world: charging times. This car uses a modular battery swapping system. When you're low on juice, you don't wait for a charger. You pull into a swap station, and in less than 3 minutes, you've popped in a fresh, fully charged 10.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack. It's like a pit stop in a Formula One race for your daily commute. With a 90-kilometer-an-hour top speed and 150-kilometer range, the Yo-Yo Pro is a serious urban contender. Inside, you get a 10.25-inch 2K smart control screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Starting at around 11,900 euros, it's the techie's dream on wheels. Next up is the Silence S04, a Spanish-engineered nano car that has recently partnered with Nissan to take over the UK and Europe. If you live in a high-rise apartment with no garage, this is your holy grail. The S04 features trolley-style batteries. You don't need a charging station. You simply pull the battery out from under the seat, flip out a handle and wheels, and wheel it into your house like a piece of carry-on luggage. You can charge your car's engine in your living room using a standard wall socket. The L7e version is a powerhouse, offering a 14-kilowatt motor, a 92-mile range, and an 85-kilometer-an-hour top speed. Despite being half the width of a Nissan Qashqai, it offers 247 liters of boot space, one of the largest in the quadricycle category. For roughly 11,299 pounds, you get a vehicle that essentially deletes the charging anxiety from your life. VinFast is on a mission to make EVs accessible to everyone, and the VF3 is their spearhead. This is a mini e-SUV that brings rugged, chunky styling to the microcar world. It looks like it's ready for an off-road adventure, even if its main terrain is the grocery store parking lot. The VF3 is powered by a 32-kilowatt motor and an 18.6 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a practical 210-kilometer range. But here's the visionary part: the battery subscription model. In many markets, you can buy the car for a significantly lower upfront price, around $9,000, and then pay a small monthly fee for the battery. This means VinFast takes all the risk. If the battery health drops below 70%, they replace it for free. Inside, you're not sacrificing tech. You get a 10-inch infotainment screen and safety features like hill start assist and traction control. It's basic, it's bold, and it's one of the most affordable ways to join the electric revolution in 2026.
Geely has taken the mini EV concept and turned it into a character. The Panda Night Edition is exactly what it sounds like: a car that looks like a panda but is dressed for a crusade. It features Panda Eye LED headlights, roof rails, and even a side-mounted ladder, though we don't recommend climbing it while moving. This is a rear-wheel drive RWD fun machine. With a 30-kilowatt motor, it's surprisingly nippy in traffic, hitting a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. It offers a 210-kilometer range and features 22-kilowatt DC fast charging, which is rare for this price point, charging from 30% to 80% in just half an hour. The tech is surprisingly upscale for a vehicle that starts at around $5,500 in China. You get a digital instrument panel that displays over 50 driving parameters and a mobile app that allows for remote control of the vehicle. It's a joy generator that proves you don't need to spend $50,000 to have a car with personality. If the Panda Night is for the adventurers, the Chery QQ ice cream is for the trendsetters. This car is all about aesthetics and sweetness. The interior is a luxury lounge wrapped in toffee brown velvet-like fabric with exclusive ice cream embroidery on the headrests. But don't let the pastel colors fool you. This is a highly functional city car. It features a 3-door, 4-seat layout and a 20-kilowatt motor that hits 100 kilometers per hour.
Battery options allow for ranges up to 205 kilometers, and it supports fast charging. The hook here is the attention to detail, 360-degree smile upgrade lights that literally look like a smiling face, and a built-in makeup mirror for the driver. Starting at an unbelievable $4,600 in some regions, the QQ ice cream is more than a car. It's a lifestyle choice for those who want their mobility to be as sweet as their favorite dessert. While others focus on being cute or cheap, the Eli Zero focuses on being premium. This is often called the Tesla of microcars. Why? Because it's proudly aluminum. The high-tensile aluminum body frame provides a light and agile experience that plastic-bodied competitors just can't match. The standout visual feature is the set of transparent glass doors. They create an illusion of space, making the cabin feel open and airy while providing the driver with maximum visibility for tight city maneuvering. The Eli Zero is packed with features usually reserved for real cars: power-assisted steering, ABS brakes, a panoramic sunroof, and full smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay. It's a neighborhood electric vehicle, NEV, limited to 25 miles per hour in the US, but it offers a level of refinement and energy efficiency up to 10 times more than a conventional car that makes it the ultimate home-to-office partner.
This is perhaps the most visionary concept on our list. The Luvly O is the IKEA car of 2026. Why? Because of how it's shipped. Luvly doesn't ship completed cars, they ship kits. This allows them to fit 250 cars into a single shipping container that would normally only hold 20. The car is then assembled in local micro-factories, cutting shipping emissions to nearly zero. It's a 2.7-meter Swedish marvel that weighs only 400 kilograms. But don't think it's flimsy. Safety is its primary narrative. It uses a sandwich composite safety shell and energy absorbers inspired by race car engineering. The Luvly O reaches 90 kilometers per hour and offers a 100-kilometer range from two removable 3.2 kilowatt-hour battery modules. At around 11,000 euros, it's the flat-pack future of urban mobility, designed for dense cities where space and sustainability are the only things that matter. You cannot talk about mini EVs without the king. The Wuling Hongguang Mini EV is the best-selling electric microcar in history, and the 2026 fifth-generation model is a massive glow-up. The headline change? It finally has 4 doors. Wuling has extended the wheelbase to create a real family-use vehicle with 4 seats and a much more refined interior. The battery has been upgraded to a 25.1 kilowatt-hour LFP unit, enabling a CLTC range of 301 kilometers. That's serious mileage for a car this size. It now supports fast charging, 30 to 80% in 35 minutes, and features an 8-inch central touchscreen with automatic parking. With a price tag that still hovers between $5,500 and $7,600, the Wuling Mini EV proves that cheap doesn't have to mean basic anymore. It is the benchmark that every other car on this list is trying to beat. Finally, we have the Arc Zero. This is the UK's most affordable electric car, starting at just £5,995. For that price, you get a vehicle with a sophisticated aluminum monocoque body, a feature usually found in luxury sports cars. The Arc Zero uses a tandem seating layout, meaning the passenger sits directly behind the driver, fighter pilot style. This allows the car to be incredibly narrow, perfect for zipping through London's tightest alleys. It's limited to 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour, with a 50-mile range, making it a true city dweller. It comes standard with a sunroof, backup camera, and Bluetooth connectivity. While critics were skeptical, the Arc Zero has become a favorite for urbanites who want the cheapest possible seat at the electric revolution.
So why are these 12 cars the most important machines of 2026? Because they represent the gadgetization of the automobile. We're moving away from cars as status symbols and toward cars as high-tech, joy-generating urban partners. These vehicles aren't trying to replace your cross-country cruiser. They are designed for the 95% of our trips that are under 30 miles. They reclaim our streets from noise, pollution, and the sheer bulk of the traditional SUV. Whether it's the car watch of the Baojun Yep or the IKEA kits of the Luvly O, these cars are proving that the future of mobility is light, it's electric, and it's finally affordable. The question is no longer, can I afford an electric car? The question is, which one of these 12 fits my personality? Are you a beach shower Fiat fan or a car watch Baojun techie? Let me know in the comments which one of these mini EVs you'd pick for your city commute. If this deep dive into 2026 mobility helped you see the future, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.